Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on this laptop. To do it, you have to click the Start button, then go to Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices, and here go to Devices, then scroll down to Sound, open the Sound menu, and here select Microphone Array, and to turn off your microphone, click Don't Allow right here. To enable it again, click Allow. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.